So I asked Chat GPT to build me a marketing campaign all around myEcon's income shifting, also known as adjusting your W-4, one of their core products. And the results literally blew me away. We're going to cover all of that in this video, and you're going to see how I'm going to be using AI platforms like ChatGPT to create duplication in myEcon. Trust me, you're going to want to see everything that is taking shape here in 2025 with myEcon and what we're building out for our team and how we're utilizing AI to help us with that. So, first off, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content about myEcon or anything to do with making money online. You, my friend, will be the first to know. So, let's dive into it. Let's get started. In case you don't know, my name is Daniel. I am a CEO Infinity with myEcon. Been with them since 2018. So, without further ado, let me show you what AI is helping us do with myEcon and how it's going to create massive duplication. Check it out. So first things first, I wanted to highlight one of the core products inside of myEcon, and that is their correcting your W-4, also known as income shifting, right? It's the way for someone to get started with myEcon without having to really promote the business, to give themselves an instant pay raise by just adjusting their W-4, putting more money back in their pocket. So I said, how can we take this and really run with it? This is such an incredible product that myEcon has that enough people don't use. And it's a way to put more money back in your pocket right away, like before you even start promoting. So, how can we take this and how can we really run with this? So I wanted to put everything together for, my team to use this specific product, this specific advertising and marketing, and look at it from all the different aspects, from YouTube videos to short form videos to Facebook posts, direct messaging, all of it. How can we get the word out, even just not just about myEcon, but this one core product to help more people put more money back in their pocket? So I went over to ChatGPT and this is what I did. So I basically just asked ChatGPT to put me together a marketing campaign based off of myEcon's income shifting. Now, obviously, I had to put a little extra information in there. I had to type in what income shifting was. It was basically adjusting your tax form to put more money back in your pocket. I even gave it some examples saying, hey, the average person that is doing the income shifting is saving around $600 per month. Less money for the government, more money for you. So I basically put in those bullet points there. And then myEcon from there just kind of went to town. And, first I started with, and I gave it the specifics. I gave it, hey, I want some hooks. I want some short form video ideas. I want some YouTube ideas. I want some direct messaging ideas. I want all of those things. So I'll give you a little sneak peek here. I actually put all of this information together for my team in what we call our vault here, basically our vault of training, our vault of information. And you can see, here are, I'm going to go through not in any particular order here. But first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to give everybody, individual things. Here are specifically the, what is this? This is the YouTube scripts. These are literally scripts for every YouTube video. You could make 10 different content ideas right there. And it just breaks them down exactly what you say in the video. It's pretty amazing, right? What you're going to talk about for income shifting. Short form video ideas, exactly what to say in the video, what type of music to have, how to, do jump cuts, fade in, fade out, all that other stuff is here broken down. This is, again, all done by ChatGPT. And it just makes it simple. Hey, here's video script number 3, right? So the type of video could be a skit and that type of thing. So it breaks literally everything down for you. It makes it so easy. Here's some hooks, right? All in and around specifically income shifting. All income shifting, not just myEcon, but specifically the income shifting product. Facebook posts that you guys can use right here, okay? Again, I say you guys, I mean the people that are on my team that have access to the vault. Okay, so 10 written Facebook post ideas, 1, 2, all the way down through 10. And if you're wondering why these are all color coded, I'm going to get to that in a minute, because at the end of doing all this, okay, here's the direct messages folder, email swipes. So here's an entire marketing campaign for myEcon, all on one specific product. And the crazy part is, like, when you think about it, we could duplicate this entire process for credit repair, for travel, for debt elimination. I mean, the possibilities are literally like limitless. Okay. So it's just insane. So I even and Chat GPT, as you're going through, as you're creating each of these products, like each of these was an individual ask of Chat GPT. Okay. So as an example, after the YouTube video scripts were done, Chat GPT even said, "Hey, would you like me to create thumbnails for each of these videos?" And I said, "Sure, of course." And what happens, here you go. Here's an entire folder of thumbnails. And you can see here, they're all labeled 1 through 10. And these correspond directly with each of these YouTube videos. So we're going to make duplication for our team really, really simple here. Now, here was my end goal of going through this entire process. So number one, I wanted to really highlight the income shifting because I want to show people that just by joining myEcon, they can instantly put more money back in their pocket without even promoting the business. Incredible product, incredible opportunity for the average person to put more money, like increase their cash flow. That's what myEcon is literally all about. So that's number one. But number two, I wanted to create a duplication machine and give people the marketing and know exactly how to use it. Hey, you're going to make a short form video like this folder right here that I have. You know exactly what to say in the videos, how to say it, when to say it, all of that is spelled out for you in a really simple, really easy to understand way. You want to make a YouTube video like I'm making for you right now? Here's your script. Here's exactly what to say. And we have it all broken down for them. Oh, wait, here's your thumbnails, right? You want some Facebook posts that you could do? Here's the images that you could use for your Facebook posts. Here is the scripts right here. Okay, Facebook post scripts that tie directly to the images. It's just all really, really simple. And my end goal for everybody here on my team is we put together a content calendar and just made it really stupid simple for everyone so they know what to post, what day, all of that broken down for them, the individual income producing activities for their myEcon income shifting marketing campaign over 30 days. So as an example, this is the month of June, depending on when you're watching this video, and it's broken down and we can change this month to month. And yes, this was all created, with the help of Chat GPT. Now, did they get everything perfect the first time out? No, I had to really kind of work with it a little bit and tweak some things, bend some things, shape some things. But the end result here is, in a very, very short amount of time, we were able to put together an entire marketing campaign to help our myEcon team. It's incredible. And then on top of that, which I didn't even really get to, is before, the thing that's going to help sell all of this is we literally put together an entire sales page that encompasses everything that we've been talking about here. It's a done for you sales page that, did ChatGPT create the actual sales funnel or the sales page? No, but it gave me the written script for it, which I then took, I made a voiceover, I did the video edits myself, and then I built out the sales page built on the recommendations of ChatGPT. So just absolutely incredible. Very, very excited for this. Very excited for myEcon, excited for our team. We're getting started right now and rolling this out. And, we're going to do a training webinar, walk everybody through what the same information that you see on your screen right now. We're going to be walking people through exactly how to use it, how to use that calendar. Everything's all color coded and easy to use. So, and again, I could have done this all on my own and created all of this, but it just would have taken, probably about a month when it took me about a day with ChatGPT. It's just, if you're not utilizing AI in 2025, you are, really, you're hurting yourself because ChatGPT can just make the work effortless for you. You just give them an idea and they can run with it. And then what I love is every time ChatGPT spits out something for you, whether it be, your hooks or your short form videos or your YouTubes, whatever, it asks you, would you like this as well? And you can just easily say yes, and you get more and more and more information. And it's just great. It's really helping our team grow. Okay. So Hope you found this video helpful. Hope you're excited for myEcon, and I can't wait to see what our team does with this marketing campaign here, because we made it about as stupid, simple, easy to create massive duplication. We already have an incredible team, and now it's about to get even better with the help of AI and Chat GPT. So that is it, my friends. You made it to this point in the video. Do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. If you haven't already, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content. You'll be the first to know. If you have any questions, if you got value from this video, if you're excited for this, do me a favor. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment down below. If you need more information about me, myEcon, or my team, and how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership, link in the description down below, or I'll leave an end card right here at the end of this video. You can simply tap on that and go watch our full overview and tutorial. Appreciate you, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.